Hi.
Hi.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I want to show you guys how you can answer where questions at home and how you can use the word go when you're at home. We practice using it at school all the time. But now when you're walking around your house or when you're going to different places, I want you to talk about where you're going to go. So if you are going to go to bed, I want you to touch bed. So now I can say it's time for me to go to bed. Or it's time I am going to go watch TV. Or I am going to go to the bathroom. So you can have this poster at home to help you talk about different places that you go, always answering those WH questions for where. Where are you going, or where did you go? So when you come home, I can say, where did you go? And your child could tell you, I go to school today, because we started back to school. Or maybe they didn't go to school, maybe instead they go to grandma's house. Now, you can move to finding these places on your kid's device as well. So after I'm able to find it on my sheet, I can now go on the device and I can say, I can even say can, because that's been one of my words of the week. Go. And now up at the top, you'll notice that same picture for places. So if I touch that, these are different places that I can go to. There are places that I can go in my community. If it has a little arrow, those link out, so I could touch restaurants. And look, here's some of the restaurants that I might go eat at. So now I can say I can go to Wendy's.
I can go to Wendy's.
So if you're doing this all the time at home with your children, answering these questions, your children are going to learn to write sentences while also learning to communicate. So I want you to have a good time practicing sentences with go and asking the question, where? Hey, where did you go? Where did you go today?
Where did you go?
And then you can answer that question. Today, I go to, I'm going to go to my places, and I'm going to tell you that today I went to school. So like I said, we have community places up here, then the yellow ones are places in my home, and then the green ones are places outside, and then we have sporting events, and then we have places at school. So today I went to school.
School. I go school.
I want you to remember when you're using your communication device, don't worry about your sentence being grammatically correct. I really just want to get my point across. So even if I just say go. And go to my places and say
school. Go school.
I've gotten my point across that I'm going to school. I don't need it to say I am going to school. Go school tells me the same thing. Most of your kids, when they're just starting out, this is all they're ready for. All right. Thank you for joining me, and goodbye. I said a lot, so now I'm going to say
see you later.
I'll see you later.